Good evening, everyone, especially to you, ma'am. I'm here to report about mitosis and meiosis. So first of all, I would like to introduce first myself. So my name is Rini Migindoawan, a BS Ed Science 4th year. So my report is all about mitosis and meiosis. But what exactly a mitosis and meiosis? So first, we will define what is a mitosis. So mitosis, it is the process of cell division that results in two genetically identical daughter cells. So each with the same number of chromosomes as the parent cells. It's crucial for growth, repair, and sexual reproduction. So next is mitosis. So when we say mitosis, it is also known as the karyokinesis. So karyokinesis is the process of cell division, and the mitosis is divided into a series of phases. So the PMAT. So phases or stages. So in the mitosis, there is 5, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 stages that the mitosis is divided. So first is the interphase. So in the stage of interphase, the cell is preparing to divide. So in that stages, in the interphase stage of the mitosis, the cell is preparing to divide. And then in that stage of the mitosis, the genetic materials is double. So next is the prophase. So the prophase, in the prophase stage of cell division, in mitosis, the chromatin condense to form chromosomes. So in the prophase, the nuclear envelope also breaks down and the mitotic spindle forms. So again, in the prophase stage, in the mitosis, the chromosomes condense and then becomes visible. And the nuclear envelope breaks down and the mitotic spindles form. So next is the third stages in the mitosis cell division. So the metaphase. So again, the third cell division in the mitosis is called the metaphase. So the metaphase, the centrioles are on the opposite ends of the nucleus. So in that stages, the centrioles are at the opposite ends of the nucleus. And then in that phases also, the chromosomes align at the cell's equatorial plane. And next is in the anaphase. So in the anaphase, the sister chromatin start to separate. So in the anaphase stage in the mitosis cell division, the sister's chromatins start to separate and they are pulled apart towards opposite sides or poles of the cell. So they are pulled apart. So silbi naglagyo na sila. And then in the telophase, telophase stage, the chromosomes in this respective poles. In that process, in the telophase, the chromosomes begins to decondense. Kung sa prophase is ni condense sila, diri sa telophase is kabaliktaran, ni decondense na sila into the nuclear envelope to reform around each set of chromosomes, and the spindle fibers disassemble. So ang spindle fibers diha nga phases sa or stages sa mitosis sa telophase is disassemble na sila, dayon ni decondense ang mga chromosomes. And the next is cytokinesis. So in the cytokinesis stages of the mitosis, the cytoplasm of the cell split into two. So silbi ang cytoplasm in that stage of the cell division. In the cytokinesis, the cytoplasm is ni-split siya. So silbi ni divide siya gaduha to make two new cells. Dahil nakahimo din siya duha ka two new cells. So the outcomes, the two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as the original cell, maintaining genetic consistency. So next is in the meiosis. So the meiosis, it is the type of cell division in which the chromosomes number of the daughter cells is reduced into half. So in the meiosis, it is the process of cell division that reduce the chromosomes number by half. So iyang gi-reduce ang number of cell division into number of chromosomes into half. Sisilbi gitunga niya ang number of chromosomes. And then producing of 4, sa pagtunga niya nakaproduce siya og 4 genetical diverse gametes. When kanang gametes it is a sperm or eggs in animals, pollen ug naa sa ovules sa plants. Pollen or ovules in the plants. So it is essential for sexual reproduction. So meaning ang meiosis is essential for sexual reproduction. So there are also, like the mitosis, ang meiosis also have stages. So first is the meiosis 1, that is called reproduction division. So ang meiosis 1 is called reproduction division. So mauni ang mga stages nga naa. So first is the prophase 1. There are 5 events taking place in this process. So there are 5 stages. 5 events rather taking in these phases. So in these stages also the homologous chromosomes pair up and exchange genetic materials through crossing over. The nuclear envelope breaks down and spindle fibers form. Again, the prophase, in the prophase stages, prophase 1 in the meiosis cell division, the homologous chromosomes pair. So ang homologous ng chromosome is paired up siya, and then the exchange of genetic materials through crossing over, and then the nuclear envelope na breakdowns and the spindle fibers form. So next is in the metaphase. So in the metaphase 1, the nuclear membrane completely disintegrated. So meaning the homologous chromosomes ni pair siya and ni-align siya sa cells equally plane. Same ra sa gyapon siya sa mitosis nga nahitabo. So in the next is in the anaphase 1. So in the anaphase, the chromosomes move from the center of the cell to opposite poles. So and the homologous, so here in the anaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes are pulled to opposite poles. So nagbulag sila sa opposite pole. But sister chromatins remain together. But ang mga sister chromatins is nag-remain siya together diri sa anaphase nga stage sa meiosis. Next is in the telophase. So in the telophase 1, the cytoplasm divided and the nuclear membrane is formed. So diri sa telophase stages sa meiosis is ang cytoplasm is na-divide siya, and then naay nuclear membrane nga na form. So next is in the cytokinesis 1. So in the cytokinesis, before I forgot, so in the telophase, in addition to the telophase 1, the chromosomes arrive at the poles and the cell divided into 2 haploid cells, each with the half number of chromosomes. So next is in the cytokinesis. So in the cytokinesis in mitosis stages or cell division, the cytokinesis stage, the cytoplasm of the cells split into 2, making 2 new cells, same as sa mitosis, ang sa meiosis. And the next is the meiosis 2. So in the meiosis 2, the type of cell division, it is similar to mitosis 1, and the type in the meiosis 2, the type of cell division in which the chromosomes number of the daughter cells is reduced into half. So na-reduce siya into half. And then sa prophase 2, the similar to autolic prophase except that it contains haploid chromosomes. So in the prophase 2, chromosomes condense again and a new simple apparatus form in each haploid cells. And next is the metaphase 2, formation of spindle fibers. So in the metaphase 2, the chromosomes align at the equator of each cells. And next is in the anaphase 2. So in the anaphase stage 2, the daughter chromosomes move towards the opposite pole. So meaning the chromosomes, the sister chromatins, are pulled apart towards the opposite pole. And next is in the telophase 2. So in the telophase 2, the appearance of the nuclear envelope, reappearance rather. So the telophase 2 stages in the meiosis 2 is the reappearance of nuclear envelope. So the chromatins arrive at a pole, nuclear envelope reform, and the cells divided. And the outcomes for this cell division is 4 genetically unique haploid gametes, each with the chromosomes number of the original cell, contributing to the genetic diversity in offspring. In summary, the mitosis creates the identical cells for growth and repair, while the meiosis produces 4 unique gametes for sexual reproduction. So meaning, in a short term, a mitosis na-create siya og identical cells for growth, repair, while the meiosis na-produce siya og 4 unique gametes for sexual reproduction. So, ang meiosis is for sexual reproduction. Ang mitosis is to create the identical cells. For growth is responsible for growth, repair, and growth, repair. And that's all in my report. Thank you.